In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a template in DocuSign. If you're looking to streamline your document processes, using templates in DocuSign can save you time and effort when repeatedly sending similar documents for signature. Let's dive into how you can create and save a template with ease. First, make sure you're on the DocuSign homepage. Open your web browser, go to the DocuSign website, and locate the Login button at the top right corner. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your account. Be sure to keep your login details secure. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your DocuSign dashboard. This is your central hub for managing documents. From here, locate the Templates tab in the main navigation bar and click on it. Inside the Templates section, look for the Create Template option. Click on it to begin building your new template. Next, add the necessary details to your template. This includes giving your template a name, uploading the documents you want to include, and defining roles for the recipients who will interact with or sign the document. Be as clear and specific as possible so the template can be reused easily without extra setup. After entering all the required information, review everything carefully. Once you're satisfied, click on the Save and Close button. This will store your template and make it available for future use. And that's it. You've successfully created and saved a template in DocuSign. Using templates will help you work more efficiently and save time whenever you need to send documents for signatures. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple DocuSign tips.